I'm going to start with the cord chop. It's not awkward at all being filmed, is it? Good job, Kylie. Just going to go both ways with that. Going to try to have good hockey position, nice solid base there to work from. She's going to be using her obliques as she pulls it across her body. Should be more trying to get the obliques in. Good. And then she's going to do some reverse crunches. So she's going to put it around her feet. No, so your back's gonna be on the ground, your legs are gonna go up.
Oh, right.
That one, yep. Yep. Perfect. So you should feel this in the lower abs. She's going to do the seated cord twist, so she's going to be sitting down and twist it across her body. Again, she's going to try to use her abs and her obliques there to get it across. Keep her core nice and tucked in. What was that, Thomas? Just going to go both ways with that. And then the last one is going to be the sit-up and punch. So she's going to hold the cord with her hands. She's going to do a sit-up and then push forward as she sits up. And that's the core strength, cord workout. Good job, Kylie.